and today I'm going to be doing the pizza challenge with my brother Xavier.
Hi guys.
So we got some cool ingredients. We got mustard. I hate mustard. Comment down below if you like mustard or if you like it but not really, or if you hate it like me and my brother. Okay, so also we got some cheetah puffs and marshmallows, and we got the main things, tomato sauce and cheese. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So we're going to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who goes first? So let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. My brother goes first. What did you get?
Maple syrup.
Oh, here's the maple syrup. Oh, that's a lot. How are you going to spread it? You're going to have to go like that.
Yeah.
Oh, looks delicious, but at the same time, yuck. Oh,
Not spreading that well.
I know. Maybe you should add a tiny bit more.
No.
Oh no. It looks a bit disgusting.
This should be good.
Yeah, you got it, so now I'm not going to get it. I hope I don't get this thing.
I just hope I get all the handy ingredients now, because otherwise it's going to taste disgusting.
I hope you get cheese with tomato sauce.
I really don't. Okay, your turn.
Okay. I got choc chips. Yummy. Okay, so I'm just going to put this to the side, and I'm going to get the chocolate chips. Both of us are starting off really good.
It's good to have
Oopsie.
It's good to have chocolate chips first because they're yum, but then bad because like
If
there's
you get a
nothing-
sauce, how would you spread it?
No, because like there's nothing to like make
It
it
would-
stay put, and if you don't get anything, then it's just going to.
It'll be a
It
delicious
won't do
pizza
it.
though.
It
I
would
hope I don't get cheetah puffs because this
yeah.
is cheetah puffs.
That could melt and be chocolate sauce.
Oh, this looks delicious already. Okay, so I finished now. Okay, I'll put it back. Now my brother's turn. What did you have?
Oh, I got mushrooms.
Here's the mushrooms. I'm happy I don't get mushrooms now. That's it.
Yeah, I don't like.
That's two for me. I'd rather have to add more.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
I'll
just-
just open.
He's got 5 now.
I'm not gonna eat
Okay.
this pizza.
At the end, you have to take a bite.
No.
I got 2. Tomato sauce! No! No. Okay.
And wow, that's better than mushrooms. I want to switch pizzas.
There. All done. Okay, guys, I'm going to add a tiny bit more. I want to add some on the edges. Just around the edge. Okay, guys. This looks disgusting. Okay. I think I'll do this half. Looks disgusting. At least I got one of the main ingredients.
Did you run mushrooms?
No.
I'll trade you.
No, I've never had mushrooms before, so I don't know how they taste. Guys, comment down below which one you'd rather have, mine or my brother's Xavier.
Please be good.
Marshmallows!
Yes!
No! I'll take one.
This is gonna make my pizza so much better.
Can I take another?
Yes, you don't put them on.
Okay.
My marshmallow. Come to me.
I really want these on
Eat as many as I can get on.
I do. What do I do?
I hate mushrooms.
I really want this and this.
Marshmallows might save my day.
My turn. Okay, guys, so it's now my turn.
I want to tip. Can I tip them all?
Okay.
Where more?
I got. No!
What?
This is gonna taste so bad.
Got pickles.
Guys, no. Guys, I got Cheeto Puffs. No.
Cheeto Puffs.
Yeah, I know, but choc chips and cheese, like they're practically cheese and tomato sauce. That's gonna be disgusting.
I finished the marshmallows.
I guess I might as well just outline it.
Don't outline it. Just put some in the middle.
Fine.
Why are you adding so many feet?
I don't know.
It's because you love them but you hate them with that.
Yes, I know, but I'm still adding more because they're yum.
Okay, that's it.
Guys, it looks disgusting.
I'm grabbing this one.
Look at those.
No! I got mustard! I hate mustard.
Choc chips, good. Tomato sauce, bad. And then Cheeto Puffs, good. Ew.
I'm not adding any more. I'm not eating those pieces.
But you can cut a piece right there. I'm really scared now because there's only like 3 good ones. The sour straws, the rice bubbles, and cheese. Because pickles and olives aren't that good. So now it's my turn and I'm really scared. I'll get this one. Wait. Yes!
No!
Yes! Yes, you guys! I got the sour straws! Yes!
Yeah.
Oh, we thought my brother was gonna get them before you made this video. But I got them. I'm gonna add a few cookies.
This one. Yes, I got olives. I didn't get pickles.
I'm either gonna get.
I love olives so much.
I don't. I'm either gonna get pickles, rice bubbles, or cheese.
I love olives. I'm just gonna add them all because I love them.
Don't add them at your piece. Okay. It's my turn. This one. No, I got the rice bubbles.
Oh, I really thought I get cheese.
I really don't want pickles.
I really want
Because the pickles will really ruin mine. Mine's actually looking pretty good, you guys. Okay, guys, there's only 2 more left. Cheese and pickles. We both really want cheese, so I'm really scared. I'm going to mix it up. Okay, there you go. Guys, before my brother picks one, we want you guys to comment down below which one you think he's going to get. Cheese or pickles. Wow. Okay, what's he going to get? What's he going to get? I'm going to get mine. No! I got pickles! And I got cheese!
I sort of like pickles though.
I don't. I love cheese. I got the 2 main ingredients. I'm going to sprinkle a tiny bit of cheese. Just a bit. I don't want too much. Okay, mine looks a bit disgusting, but it's fine.
Yum.
Delicious. Okay, so we turned the oven on so that it can heat up, and soon we're going to put our pizzas in the oven. This is mine. This is my brother's. Comment down below which one looks the best now. We'll see you for the final taste test. We just took them out of the oven And mine actually looks pretty good. My brother's doesn't look that good. Guys, look what happened to the mustard. This one's soft, but then this one's hard. This one's hard as well. His just looks so disgusting. So now we're gonna cut a piece. Guys, we just cut it up and now we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who goes first to try their piece? So, yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I got him. I go first. I'm gonna try my piece, then his, and then he gets to try his piece, and then mine. Okay. Is it good? You guys, this is delicious. I love it. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to try Xavier's. Thank you. Okay.
I got my appetite, guys.
But he still has to try his and mine.
I want to have the slightest piece ever.
Okay, mine's really good. I don't know about Xavier's.
His looks just like duck. I really don't want to eat this.
The marshmallows taste like the burnt marshmallows. I like the marshmallows. They're like roasted marshmallows.
I really don't want to eat this.
I
I'm gonna
like-
take the smallest
I like
bite.
it and I like mine. I like both. And guys, the Cheeto Puffs didn't explode.
I like the bread. I just tried the bread because I don't want to eat anything else.
Now you have to try mine. No, Xavier, you can just try there. That's just rice bubbles and chocolate and bread.
It's also okay. I like the bread.
Xavier. Okay, guys, we just tasted them, and I actually think mine was better than Xavier's. Comment down below which one you would rather eat. Mine? My brother Xavier's. Guys, hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, and that notification bell so you know when any of my new videos come out.
Guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel Xavier QB where I do all gaming videos.
For watching, peace out. Goodbye.